Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to install Blueprint OMS on a Windows computer using the native installer. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, we need to download and unzip the installer. Download the zipped file from the link provided. Right-click and choose Extract All. Now open the folder that appears if it doesn't do so automatically. Double-click the Blueprint OMS file. You're going to see two options here. Install for Me, where you'll need no Windows admin rights to install, or Install for All, where you will need Windows admin rights to install. Pick what's best for your setup. Now enter in your launch link. This is what connects Blueprint OMS to your clinic's data. If you don't have the launch link, please reach out to the clinic owner or email support@blueprintsolutions.us. Optionally, you're going to be able to choose to rename your desktop shortcut or change the install folder. Now, if this isn't already installed, you may see a pop-up to install a Microsoft Visual application. Make sure to say yes to this install. Finish installation by clicking Next. Once done, Blueprint OMS will launch automatically and a desktop shortcut will be created. Thanks for watching. You're now ready to use Blueprint OMS. For more tips or help, make sure to check out the Help menu inside the app or reach out to us.